Hi everybody, Harley Badger speaking with a new find here. I picked this up at a thrift store for 75 cents, but as I so often say, it was Blue Tag Day, which ended up being half off. So, what, 38 cents? This is new in the box. Never had batteries in it. It's a Litronix, and I am assuming that it's from somewhere around late 70s, early 80s. I can't put a finger on it, and I can't find anything online. So, it's a Litronix 1101 calculator. It has an LED display, not LCD. It's a LED display. So what I thought I would do, I haven't cleaned it up. The only thing I did was I sort of cleaned off the box because it was dusty. And other than that, that was it. Now it comes with, in the box, an owner's a Pennsylvania sales and use tax rate chart. I mean, this is from 1968, and I don't know why it was in this calculator box along with the instructions. Also included was, Jesus, here are the legitimate instructions. Not sure if that focused correctly, but it shows all kinds of interesting stuff. Super small, super smart. The 1101 at work, complete with man with molestache. You can also use the 1100 at home, especially if you live in a house like that with glass and everything. Of course you need a calculator to balance your checkbook, income tax, monthly credit card invoices. You can have some fun. Feed the 1100 impossible problems and watch it answer like magic. Take it shopping. There you go, complete with warranty card that has never been filled out. And I checked this entire owner's manual. There's no copyright date or anything on it. Here's some examples of how to calculate things. Feel free to pause it to read it. And I'll give you a shot of the other side in case you want to pause and read it. Moving right along. So, came with the instructions, Pennsylvania tax rates, and Jesus Christ. The box is in shape. It's pretty good. Someone probably bought it and then just, well, again, stuck Jesus in it and left it stored. So I removed the price tag, and now I'm going to put some batteries in it. And this is the first time I have this has never had batteries in it. I haven't even tested it yet. So I'm about to put batteries in and see what happens. We'll do it live. All right. For the first time ever, I'm going to power it on. And there you go. And it's hard to see because of the glare, so I'm going to move it here. And I'll try to zoom in a little bit on the display. All right. There you go. It's got a red LED display. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. It has 10 segments, or, has 10 characters, I guess you would say. But, let's do some stuff like 1 times 5 equals 5. 8 divided by 0 is impossible, so let's see what happens. 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. So, 4 times 4 times 4 equals 0, apparently. So let's try that again. 4 times 4 times 4 equals 64. And, we're talking decades-old technology, so if you do something complicated like just a bunch of 8s times 1.25, 4, 5, 5, 5. Notice there's a delay before it displays the answer, because old electronics. All right. So anyway, there you have it. Hope you enjoyed this quick video on this Litronix 1100 from late 70s, early 80s, I'm assuming. If anybody has any more information on this, please drop a comment down below and let me know. Otherwise, click like, subscribe, the little bell thingy, and visit us on Patreon if you'd like. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video.